So guys, we are having yellow watermelon. Oh my gosh. Father God, we want to thank you for this food. Blessed don't have in your name we pray. Amen. Fresh bite. I'm going to describe the flavor in just a second. For right now, we're going to hook up these. It's not really ready. It's still kind of, it's not a soft mango. So it's still kind of not ready, guys. And this is the way I really want it. So with this, we're going to start off with some lemon. We're going to put it all around it. And this is how the mango look. That's my son in the background. Okay. We're going to put a little bit of salt. Just tap it. Not too much. Just a sprinkle. Okay. We're going to put some tahini. Okay. You know what? Let's try tahini in the watermelon too. Just a tad bit, not too much. And chamoy. Just a little bit. Okay. And the reason I'm doing it like this, because I don't want too much. That's why. Okay. And that's the way it looks. Thumbnail. So yummy. So delicious. Oh, water for the drink. So good. So good. It's not sweet. It's not salty. It's not savory. It's just good. Mm. Mm. Oh my gosh. Oops. Oh. Mm. Mm. Okay. Oof. Mm. 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 I think I put too much of that tahini. Take a bite of this one. Mm. And I put some tahini in it. It tastes good. Mm. So it does taste like watermelon, obviously. And then look, you couldn't really tell. But it's sweet. It's no different than a regular watermelon. Maybe I believe it's more juicier. Mm. But it does have, I don't know, taste, and it tastes good. Mm. Look at this big piece. Mm. Mm. So good. I should keep the seed. Excuse me. Mm. Oh, yellow watermelon is so good. So, you guys, I'm done. If you never had yellow watermelon, don't be afraid. Excuse me. It tastes like the regular watermelon. And, you know, you can't really tell. The only difference is that you could kind of taste the yellow. And, like, if somebody had a blind test, I feel like they could tell the difference. They probably gonna say it's watermelon, but I don't know, the yellow and the red still have like this pinch of difference. I can't really describe it, but it does taste good. And would I want the red watermelon over the yellow? To be honest, they both taste so good. I love watermelon, so I would. I mean, if I could find this yellow watermelon again, I most definitely would get the yellow one. But if not, I'll stick to my red watermelon. Got this from the beauty supply store today. So, just a little clear lip gloss, honey. But, anyways, guys, that's it. Thank you for enjoying this wonderful fruit with me. I do appreciate it. I wanted to get a little serious for a second and pretty much just give a moment of silence for those that had lost their loved one or somebody. Mourning silent for them. Because most of us, when we do moment of silence, it have to be a famous person, a known person, but every single day somebody is passing away, either through tragedy, medical, or just about anything. You know, tomorrow's not promised for none of us. 1 minute we're here, next minute we're gone. So, you know, for those of y'all that lost somebody, you know, my condolences go to y'all guys, and I wish y'all guys strength. I wish y'all guys some kind of peace. I wish y'all guys just to surrender and to let it all out and to realize that we all going through something. But most people, you know, some people can handle stuff and some people can't. Some people, they go through depression, they go through life, just be life in them, and they don't know when is the evil and the bad things is gonna be over for them. They want to give up. Their mind is everywhere, and that right there is just. And people telling you it's gonna be all right. This too shall pass, and it's not passing fast enough for you. Have patience. Have patience. I always say, as long as you can get up and you keep on pushing and you put God first or your higher power, it's gonna be all right. Cause it's people waking up, getting horrible news, going through it, don't know how they supposed to get their next meal, don't know how they supposed to pay for this, pay for that, you know, have pride, don't want to call their family, don't want to call nobody or can't call nobody because they don't have nobody. It's just, the list goes on and on and on about why is the reason that you should be strong for yourself and for others. Because when you gone, honey, who's going to take care of your loved one? Who's going to take care of your friend? Who's going to take care of your family? You know, you gotta take care of your mental health. You have to take care of your mental health. And, you know, it's so easy to say it, but sometimes, man, our mind just be going through it. We just be going through it. My advice to you is to continue to be strong and continue to put, you know, your higher power first, you know, and talk about it. Talk about it. Even if you got to make a video just by yourself, you know, explaining to yourself why you shouldn't give up. Do that. Look at that video over and over again. And then make another video why you should not give up, you know. And then make a video for your loved one, for your friend. Keep that video to yourself, though. Keep that video to yourself. And look at that video. And look at yourself. Because sometimes it's hard for us to look ourselves in the mirror. And if you could see it live, and if you could see it for yourself, maybe something could spark, and you'd be like, you know what? I don't want to live that way. I want to be strong. I want to keep on pushing. I want to live. I want to reach for my goals. Be somebody. I want to put this alcohol down. I want to put this drug down. I want to let go of this friend that's damaging my heart. I want to let go of this family that's doing me harm. I want to let go of my childhood trauma. I want to let go of this person that done me wrong, that made me cry, that hurt me physically, mentally. All that. Let go and let God. Keep on pushing. Anyways, this video becoming so long, girl. But I always say this: put God first, and everything else will follow. And once again, thank you for subscribing. I'm gonna keep on pushing these videos out. So, girl, watch out now. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.